Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am finally back with another video. I'm going to show you guys how I did this viral Instagram braid and twist combo hairstyle, and then I'm also going to do a nail tutorial for y'all. Of course, I got this $4 matching press-on nail and toenail set from Shein, so let's get into it. Okay, so I was just up, late night scrolling on my phone on Instagram, and I came across this hairstyle and I was like, yep, I'm doing it because this is so bomb. Braids and twists. And I knew I wanted to braid or twist my hair, but I couldn't decide. So I was like, you know what? Why not do both? So I went to my local beauty supply store and I got Easy braid hair. Of course, this is one of my favorite braid hairs. It's pre-stretched, it's itch-free, it's really long, it's 26 inches. I got 2 of these, but I only used 1 for this hairstyle. And these are the products that I'm using on my hair, which is Live and Lock-in Gel. I have my rat tail comb, and I'm going to be using a rubber band method to make the braids look knotless, even though they're not knotless. So I have some black rubber bands, and you guys will see how I am attaching the hair in this video. So I was already halfway, almost done with my hair before I started filming, because at first I wasn't going to film it as a tutorial, but then I was like, you know what, let me not gatekeep this. I have to show the girls how this style is done. So let's get into it. So I'm using my rat tail comb to part, and then I'm using the Live like on the mid to the ends of my natural hair. I never put the Live on the root of my hair, because if you put any type of greasy product on your hair before using any type of edge control, the edge control is not going to stick to your natural hair how it's supposed to. So I use the Live to moisturize my hair, and then I go in with the Lock-in Gel to slick my roots down. And this is how I am attaching the braid hair. So I parted that section of my hair down the middle. I took a piece of the braid hair, and then I'm opening my natural hair to put that braid hair in the middle. And then you're gonna bring both of the pieces of your natural hair together and secure it over the braid hair with a rubber band. And that's how you have that knotless look without them officially being like knotless braids. I call these boneless braids. We just gonna call them boneless. So now that we have the braid hair on, I'm just gonna start braiding, like, using my natural hair as a third strand to braid with. And then when I get a little bit towards the middle of my natural hair, that's when I'm gonna start taking pieces from the braid hair and blending my natural hair in with the braid hair. So as I'm braiding down right here, you'll see I'm splitting that piece of braid hair and putting it in with the piece of my natural hair, and that's going to really tuck my natural hair into the braid. And then I'm just borrowing from piece by piece, and then once all 3 strands of the hair are an even amount, then I just braid all the way down to the ends. And it's really that simple. So if you don't know how to like feed in braid hair from the root, or if you don't know how to start a braid, this is a really simple and easy way to start your braids or twists. And since I'm doing braids and twists, I'm going to start the twist the exact same way that I started the braid. So I just went in with my Live and my Lock-in Gel, and then I'm parting that section down the middle. And I decided to add some blue hair in. I don't know why, but I always do blue hair. Whenever I do a colored braid, like blue is one of my favorite colors to do. I feel like it just goes well with my complexion, and it brings out my skin tone and my eyes. So I think blue is like just my color. Now for the twists, there definitely is a method to how I do my twists so that they come out nice and tight and don't unravel. So as you can see, I'm splitting my natural hair into 2, and I'm putting it in with each piece of the braid hair, and then I'm just gonna start twisting. But the method is to kind of scrunch the hair a little bit before you cross over the twist. So as you can see, I'm scrunching and twisting. Scrunch, twist, scrunch, twist, scrunch, twist, scrunch, twist. That is how you prevent your twist from unraveling. Some people just, do like a regular 2-strand twist, but when you're working with braiding hair, you definitely have to scrunch it tight a little bit so that your twist does not come loose. And I'm doing this all the way down to the ends of my braids, because I want my hair to be braided and twisted all the way to the ends. I don't want anything loose on the ends. So that's how you keep your twist nice and secure and from coming loose. You have to scrunch and twist. And now I'm just gonna shut up for a minute and let you guys see how I complete this section of my hair. Okay, y'all, forgive me, but I totally did not do a video showing you guys the freshly completed look of this hairstyle. This was like a week after I did my hair, but as y'all can see, the style was bomb and it definitely gave what it was supposed to give. So if you guys decide to try that hairstyle, tag me and let me know on the gram. I don't know who the original creator of that style is. I just screen recorded a video from a hair page that I saw that hairstyle on. But shout out to you, whoever you are, because you definitely did that and you inspired me to do mine. But let's get into these nails. So these are from Shein, and this is a press-on nail and toenail set. It was only $4. I got it in the last Shein haul that I did with the bog bag. So if you guys missed that video, the link to the nails and everything is in that video, and I will also link the nails in this video as well. So let's get into them. As you guys can see, they have like 3D bling on them, and then some of them have the flowers with the bling, and they have a white French tip with the beautiful color flowers, which I love. And then some of them just have like that really cute squiggly line. I love the squiggly line designs on nails. I think it's just so cute. And so I just picked out all my nail sizes to fit my fingers, and this is what the set is looking like before I applied it. And this set is so cute, y'all. It's perfect. Like, I know we're in the ending of summer going into fall, but these colors you still could rock in the fall. But look at my nails, y'all. They was toe up for a minute. Like, a few weeks went by before I decided to put some nails on. So forgive me for not giving y'all videos for about 3 weeks, but I was kind of in a funk, and I was just going through some things personally with my family and my mom. So it was like I was just going through it for a minute, and then I just had to bring it back. I was like, you know what, we're not gonna let ourselves go downhill. We gonna pick it back up and keep our maintenance together. So I'm glad that I have you guys to motivate me to continue to making these videos so that I can help myself. So within giving you guys content, it also helps me personally. So I'm just grateful that I have my Chalk Nation. Hey, to my new subscribers, I see y'all. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, and thank you to all my day ones and everybody that's been subscribed to me for a while, for hanging in there with me. And I'm back, and we're gonna keep it going. But let's jump back into this tutorial. So as you guys can see, I am using a brush on nail glue, which I don't actually like brush it on. I just kind of like dab it onto my natural nail to create like a nice bubble of glue on my natural nail. If you cannot see the glue on your nail, that means you did not apply enough. So you want to have a nice bubble that you can see, and then you're going to line that press on nail up with your cuticle area, and then you're going to press into your cuticle first and then press the rest of the nail down onto your natural nail, and you're going to press and hold for about 30 seconds. And also make sure you are pressing against your side walls of your nails, because you want to have full coverage over your natural nails so that they do not start lifting from the sides and pop off. That is the first area that kind of starts to lift when your nails get a little bit old. So just make sure you're pressing against those side walls and also the center of your nails so that your nails can last for up to 2 weeks. And with this nail glue, your nails will definitely last 2 weeks. My nails always last as long as I keep them on. I always take my nails off after a week because I'll be ready to get into another set. But trust me, if I wanted to keep my nails on for 2 weeks, this glue will definitely keep them on. This glue is from Shein as well, and I will also make sure I link it in the description of this video. So make sure you guys check the description box for everything that I used in this video to do my nails and my hair with. So make sure you guys check out the description box. My Amazon storefront will be linked in the description box. That's where you guys can find the hair and everything that I used to do my hair with. And then everything from Shein, from the nails to the glue and everything, will also be linked in the description box. So make sure you guys check it out. So now that I got all the nails done, I do like my tips of my nails to be nice and crispy, and these nails had like a little extra piece on the tips of them, so I'm using the nail file that came with the nails just to file that extra piece down and to shape the tips of my nails so that they can be nice and straight on the tips. Now I am right-handed, so when it comes down to using my left hand to file, I just cannot do it. Like, look at my hand, it just won't do it. So the trick to that is I'm just using my right hand to go against the nail file, and that's the way that I'm able to file my dominant hand while using my non-dominant hand. So my left hand just ain't got no rhythm at all. So my right hand, that's where it's at. So I'm just, using my fingers to go against the nail file. That's the easiest way that I can do it. And as you can see, the shape still came out good. And then I just used a alcohol pad to get rid of the excess nail dust from filing the nails. And now we are going to apply some cuticle oil. So this cuticle oil is from Temu. It's a really good cuticle oil. It definitely hydrates the cuticles and it has a really good smell to it. It's strawberry scented, and you just basically go around your cuticles and rub that oil into your cuticles, and this is the finished look of the nails. This set came out so good. I love the length, I love the colors, I love the shape of these nails. I love a square shape. That is my #1 shape when it comes to nails. As you can see, the nails are not moving or popping off, so that nail glue is definitely good. I used the same nail glue to apply the toenails, and the whole set is just so cute. If you guys are viewing this video and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. You're gonna love it here, boo. I am back and I have so much more for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. We back, baby. Peace.